Hey guys, welcome back. It is time to do our BoxyCharm reveal for March of 2021. So before we get into that, I am going to tell you that I'm going to go over what I love the most and what I didn't like the most in last month's box. So let's get started. My least favorite thing for last month was the Trestique, I think is how you say it, mascara. I did not really care for it. I've only used it about 2 or 3 times because it just doesn't work well for me. This thing here is just kind of too small to really get your eyelashes in, and other than that, it's just like a big bulky package, and it's just not the right formula for me. So anyway, that was my least. And then my favorite was my pick for last month, which was the Ace Beauty palette, the Nostalgia palette. And it had all these beautiful colors, which I've really sampled most of them. I didn't really wear the green, I don't think, but I wore all the other ones. And I just love it, and I get a lot of compliments every time I put this on. So that was a really good one. Alright, so let's go into this month's BoxyCharm box for March of 2021. And this is what it looks like. Open it up, and we'll take out this little card. It says this theme is lucky, and it has the clovers and all the St. Patrick's Day stuff on the front. It does tell you all the products that you received, as well as the pricing, what everything's worth there. So we'll start with what I picked this month. So I think it was, you could choose between this, which was the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream from Glow Recipe, or there was a mascara that you could choose. But I was excited to get this because I'm starting to use more moisturizers. I really didn't take care of my face like I should have. So, and now that I'm using them, I absolutely am in love with them. And they said this one smells super good. So let's see. Look at the cute little, it's a glass little bottle. Okay. Oh, you can't smell it with this on it, can you? And it smells really good. Like banana pudding or something. Alright, so I gotta make this video kind of short. So, alright, the next thing we have is the Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. And it's a pack of 3. So I got this, and this is valued at $18, and the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream was valued at $39. Alright, the next thing we have is the Venus, Lime Crime Venus eyeshadow palette. Let's pop this open. It's like a really thick, chunky palette. Really, really pretty artwork. Let's open it up. Very pretty colors. So I was excited to get this because I love these colors. This is valued at $38. So I just love getting eyeshadow palettes. They're my favorite. The next thing we have is the Rose Water Setting Spray. This is valued at $22 by Maven Beauty. Spray's really nice. Smells good. Like that. And the last thing we have is the, I think it's Cobb Lip Oil. Let's pop this out. And it's a cute package. It says it's non-sticky. Let's see. I like that. I like that. Alright, and this was $20 retail value, and that was it, you guys. So that was just a peek inside my box. And if you all like what you see, just hit the like button, hit subscribe, come back and see me on my next videos. I should be doing Ipsy soon. I get the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus, so hopefully I'll have those up soon. I haven't received it yet. And other than that, I hope you all have a great night, and I'll see you soon. Bye.